Hello everyone, welcome to Aptitude Made Simple. Today we are going to solve problem of probability. In probability, specifically we are solving the problem for one dice. So let's read the problem. If one dice is thrown, what is the probability of getting 6, getting odd number, not getting 6? So probability is nothing but chance of a certain thing to happen. So if you are looking for any exam you give, either you are going to pass or fail. So all possible outcome, we can say it as a pass and fail. We have two possible outcome. And when we say what is the probability of getting pass? So out of pass and fail, one is favorable for getting pass. So our probability of getting pass will be 1 upon 2. So let's write down the formula for probability first. Probability is nothing but count of favorable outcomes. When we say favorable, the event which we are looking for, let's say in this case, we are looking for getting 6. So getting all favorable outcomes for that, getting the count of all those favorable outcomes upon count of all possible outcomes. So let's first see count of all possible outcome because that part will be common for our all three questions. So count of all possible outcomes. So you know that when you roll a dice, what are different possibilities? Either you can get 1 or you can get 2, you can get 3, you can get 4, you can get 5 or you can get 6. So if you roll any dice, you will always get one of these value 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We will not get 7 or 8 in any dice. So can we say we have total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So count of all possible outcomes is 6. Now let's start the solving problem one by one. Let's say getting 6. So let's count count of favorable outcomes. Let's try to find out the count of favorable outcomes for getting 6. Here let's put getting 6. So we have total this 6 things what we can get, out of which can we say only this is the one which is favorable for us because we want 6. So out of this 6, this is the only one which is favorable for getting 6. So can we say favorable count of favorable outcomes is 1. And we already know the count of all possibility outcome, that is 6. So in this case, probability of getting 6 is equal to, what is our favorable outcomes? Count of favorable outcome 1. And what are all possibility outcome count? 6. So our answer is 1 upon 6. Similarly, let's try to solve the next problem, 1 upon 6. So probability of getting 6 is 1 upon 6. Let's try to solve the next part in the problem, getting odd number. So similarly, we will try to find out the count of favorable outcome first for getting odd numbers. And let's note down all the numbers first, what all possible outcomes we have. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now when we say odd number, out of this, what are odd numbers? 1, 3, and 5. These are odd numbers. We know that any number which ends with 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, that is odd number. So 1, 3, 5. So we have total 3 odd numbers. So can we say count of favorable outcome getting odd numbers? Count of that is 3, 1, 3, and 5. And what is the count of all possibility outcomes? That is 6 because this will be same across all the problem. So probability of getting odd numbers. So let's write down probability of getting odd numbers. Favorable outcome count. In this case, favorable outcome count is 3. All possibilities count, all possible outcomes count. that is 6. It's 3 upon 6. You can keep it like this, or you can further simplify this. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6. So you can simplify this as a 1 upon 2. So probability of getting odd number is 1 upon 2. This is our answer for second part. Let's solve the third part. Not getting 6. So if you look at the first problem, the first part of the problem, it's getting 6. Now here we are looking for not getting 6. So first of all, let's note down all possible outcomes. And from that, let's see what is favorable for us. So count of favorable outcomes for not getting 6. Not getting 6. So if you look at this, can I say 1 is favorable for us? Yes, it is favorable because what they are saying, not getting 6. When you get 1, you are not getting 6 over here. 2, yes, that is also favorable. 3, that is also favorable because we are not getting 6 here. 4, it is also favorable. 5, it is also favorable. 6, it's not favorable because they're saying not getting 6. So if we get 6, this we cannot count it as a favorable. So everything apart from 6 will be favorable for us. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that count becomes 5. And we have a count of all possible outcome, that is 6. That is same across all the problems for one dice. So probability of not getting 6, probability of not getting 6. How many favorable outcomes we have for this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that count is 5. And all possible outcome count, that is 6. 5 upon 6. So probability of not getting 6 is 5 upon 6. Thank you everyone.